Come on, just,
what am I gonna do?
Just put it in your mouth.
Swallow the whole thing?
No, keep it in your mouth.
Yeah, swallow it. Tell me to swallow this motherfucker.
Keep it in your mouth.
You have like a cross?
Come on, dude.
Okay, cinnamon challenge. How much? Tablespoon?
All of it.
All of it? Fuck it, here goes.
You have to keep it in your mouth. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it. Just swish it.
Oh no.
Are you okay?
Whoa.
What?
Whoa, no.
Sit down if you want.
Yeah, you can sit it out if you want. Justin! That wasn't... Justin!
Yeah.
That wasn't cinnamon, it was cayenne pepper. Holy shit. It was cayenne pepper covered in cinnamon.
That shit was fucking hot.
Oh my god, I'm gonna pee. You okay?
My tongue is burning, man.
Holy shit. Oh yes.
Ow. Ah.
I'm sorry, I had to get you. After seeing that video,
Go drink some milk.
yeah, go drink some milk.
You have to.
That was fucking nasty.
Or go put whipped cream in your mouth.
Or cream
Take the
cheese.
burn away from your, or cream cheese.